Hi everyone, I'm Haru. In this video, I'll show you how I upgraded my quadruped robot. Stick around until the end to see the full test run. This is the quadruped robot I built in my last video. Honestly, I think it turned out pretty great for my first try. However, there were definitely a few areas that needed improvement. First, the controller inputs were processed by my PC and sent over a wire to the microcontroller, so it couldn't walk very far. Second, because of how the microcontroller was placed, taking out the batteries was a huge hassle. So this time I'm swapping the microcontroller for an ESP32-CAM to add Wi-Fi wireless control and live video streaming, while also making the batteries easier to remove. By acting as its own web server, the ESP32-CAM lets us watch the live video stream over Wi-Fi. First, I soldered a perf board to route power from the battery box to the ESP32. Since this was my first time using a perf board, I made quite a few mistakes. On top of that, I was so focused on soldering that I barely filmed any footage. I struggled with where to place the ESP32-CAM for a while, but I eventually decided to mount it upside down to get the camera in the perfect spot. Then I redesigned the frame to fit the ESP32 and 3D printed the new parts. After assembling all the parts and connecting the wiring, the robot body is complete. Next, I flashed the code onto the ESP32. On the PC side, I set up a Python script to read controller inputs and send the values to the ESP32 over Wi-Fi. With that, everything was complete. Now let's fire up the finished robot and see it in action. While there's a bit of lag and video stuttering, I managed to achieve wireless control, make the batteries easier to swap, and even add a camera. Overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.